Wherever the eye touches is my land. I remember that from, was it Simba? No, the Lion King. Wherever the horizon touches is my land. Ow, I just got bit by an ant. These ants and bite so hard. This whole place is filled with them. I don't know. The guys who are moving these logs disturbed them. So here, these logs are going to be used to make charcoal. And this is a bed of logs. Over here they call it a bath. This is where they're laying them, and then after that they will put fire, burn, cover, and make charcoal. So yes, I'm in the charcoal business too. Wow.